Here's a quick hack to save your relationship after you have a fight. Okay, you had a massive fight, you had a big small fight, but there's just a bunch load of things you want to say to them. You're just so full of anger and it's all here and it's just gonna come out, right? And what you have to do at that point is just open up the notes app and write the whole spiel, the whole speech you have prepared in your head. And you would be quick in that because it's all just there ready. You're ready to spit it out. You're ready to show them that what they did wrong, and how you were, disheartened, and how you were hurt, and they shouldn't have done it, and all of those things. Just write everything out. I want you to write each and every point down in excruciating detail, if you will, not in notes or anything, so that you don't forget. Just write it down and make a note that you'll say these things to them, to him or her, after 48 hours. After exact 48 hours, open that note app and you'll say those things. Till then, if they message you or anything, just say I'm not ready to talk yet or anything, or just keep it nonchalant and chill. People do understand. If it's a healthy relationship, they do understand and they give you space, right? Chances are, massive chances are, that after 48 hours, you won't want to say those things to them anymore. It's because the thing with anger is the more you delay it, the more sense you get. That's just the reality. That's what they actually teach in anger management classes. You have to delay it because when you are in the eye of the storm, you don't see the things that you'll be destroying. So this is the actually an effective hack to keep your integrity, to maintain that love and still communicate things in a manner which is civil. After those 48 hours, all the speech you wrote, like maybe you had written down 10 points, some from the previous fights, would all be reduced to either one or two, and you would communicate it in such a honest manner, in such a civil manner, in a manner that would actually save your thing, rather than destroying it, rather than hurting people, rather than saying things which you don't even mean, or breaking up or anything, or just running away for good. So yeah, this is one thing which I've found to be very, very effective.